This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery renewal. Open the driver's door and remove the battery cover located in the driver's footwell. Where applicable, lift out any foam padding. Disconnect the battery negative lead first by slackening the nut. Pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal and disconnect the monitoring lead. Position the lead clamp away from the battery terminal to prevent accidental reconnection. Then lift the red release lever and pull the positive lead from the battery terminal and disconnect the breather pipe. Unscrew the bolt and remove the battery retaining clamp. The battery can now be removed from the vehicle. Be careful as you lift it out because it's heavy. Lower the replacement battery into the compartment and refit the retaining clamp, securing it in position by tightening the bolt. Reconnect the breather pipe and position the positive lead clamp over the positive battery terminal, pressing the red lever down into place. Reattach the monitoring lead and reconnect the negative terminal, tightening the clamp's nut. Refit the battery cover to the compartment.